The all-new Mercedes C-Class was premiered 4 days ago. Here's what we know so far. The first difference that I saw was the key. Front of the car is much more different than what it was previously. It looks like a baby CLS. Headlights are different. Tail lights are different. The side body has not changed much. There's 2 different variants of rims being offered. There's 2 different models, a sedan and a wagon. Wagon has a different style of rims than the sedan, although I believe the base model C200 will have a different set of rims, which will be confirmed later on when the car hits the showroom. The grille is different. C300 has a very weird grille pattern, which has tiny Mercedes logo. In case you miss the big Mercedes logo, there's a lot more tiny logos in the grille to remind you that you own a Mercedes. Fake vents, which look nice, but for auto enthusiasts it is a deal breaker, but at least they'll stay clean. The lights are really nice, a digital light feature. There's a new interior color which is double accented brown and black. There's a lot of carbon fiber interior accents. It's a new infotainment system, or Mercedes-Benz user experience, MBUX as what they call it. Looks really nice. A massive touch screen. There's ambient lighting, various types which you can control with the touch panel. Also the display is angled towards the driver for a more sporty experience. I like the new turbine air vents which also have ambient lighting. There's more legroom at the back. There's a lot of S-Class features that are being offered in the new C-Class, which includes navigation, augmented video, biometric login. It's a voice assistance, which I'm really looking forward to as the previous generation was a big flop. Smart home functions, it has a lot of apps, kind of like a smartphone where you can pretty much do anything. You can order your food, you can play any sort of music you like. More on that once we actually drive this new Mercedes C-Class. Driving dynamics, it has a rear axle steering, which is really nice. When it comes to city traffic, it'll be really agile, but good thing is it is being offered across all models, so even the base model C200 will come with rear axle steering. All models will have starter generator motors. So far the fastest model amongst this Mercedes lineup is C300, 0 to 100 in 6 seconds, around 250 horsepower. I'm guessing because of the starter generator motor, it will have a better fuel economy as well. AMG models will follow, I believe, in a year or so. Both sedan and wagon will come with plug-in hybrid versions with your choice of gasoline or diesel engines. The range is pretty nice, 100 kilometers of pure electric driving. The cargo space is not affected by the plug-in hybrid system. For outdoor-oriented people, there's a new model coming soon. Overall, C-Class is one of the most important cars in Mercedes lineup, as 1 in 7 Mercedes sold is a C-Class. It is a really handsome package being offered. I'm really excited to drive the car once it arrives at my local dealership. Prices have not yet been confirmed, but with all the new S-Class features and the quality of the interior, you should expect to pay a more premium price than its predecessor. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is D-pac. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more future car news videos. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.